welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. You know what, even though today is a beautiful day, it's bright and sunny out there, but I don't want to say it's a beautiful day because we are having earthquake drills today. So the school will be teaching the children how to evacuate, especially when there is major earthquake. Oh my God. I don't like the sound of earthquake. I don't even like the word earthquake because it's super scary. Imagine your house is just moving this way, shaking, things are falling. Oh my goodness. I mean, we all know that Japan is an earthquake-prone nation. We experience earthquake almost every time in Japan. But thank God, most of these earthquakes are small earthquakes. But then, we also have big earthquakes, like big earthquake, where everything will just shake, building will grrr, grrr, grrr. Oh my God, I'm super scared. I don't like earthquake. I don't like earthquake. Like March 11th, 2011, that was my very first earthquake experience, and that was a major earthquake. Like the ground was vibrating, glasses were breaking, doors were moving to another direction. Oh my God, it triggered tsunami. We know major earthquake always triggers tsunami, especially if you are living, if you are surrounded by water, mountain will just slide down, mud slides, all these things are after effects of the earthquake. We also have aftershock. I mean, earthquake is super scary. It's something that you can never be comfortable with earthquake. Anyway, today we'll be having earthquake drill in school. So they'll be teaching the children how to evacuate, especially when there is major earthquake. Nobody knows when big earthquake will occur. It can occur in the night when you are sleeping. It can occur in school. It can occur on the road. It can occur at any time. Nobody knows. But then they have to prepare these children. They have to teach them safety tips, how to use their earthquake bag to cover their heads, to prevent maybe roof or things from falling on their heads. At the end of the day, these children will be taught how to cover their heads, protect their heads from objects, from allowing objects to fall on their heads, how to hide under the table in case maybe there is a table around them, how to leave the classroom, because at that point in time, if there's major earthquake, there will be confusion, people will be running here and there, people will be clashing, different things. So they are teaching these children safety tips, that in as much as you are trying to hasten up to go to safety, you should also be careful. So all the parents register their email address, their phone numbers, so that the school will send emergency email, to everyone's contacts, telling you, come and pick your child. And I'm also listening to loudspeaker to see if I can hear any information. So I know that a lot of people will be on the road. Parents will be running everywhere just to pick their children. I want to see how everything will go. But the beautiful thing is today they will be teaching the children how to escape if there is a major earthquake. Because you know that in real earthquake, I mean, there will be a lot of confusion. People might not even know what to do. You might just see children. Some of them will want to fly down. Some of them will want to do some other things. So it is best for them to teach the children the proper escape routes. One beautiful thing about Japan is, I mean, they always make escape routes. So you will have a door and you also have a large door, like a major door, to help you escape if there is a danger of that kind, kind of earthquake emergency. So this is the amazing thing about today. I believe that they will be sending the email any moment from now, because every parent actually registered their email address, their phone number, and we are all waiting for the earthquake emergency email. So that email will tell us, hurry up, come to the school, come and pick your child. We are just acting like, okay, today there is a major earthquake. So I don't know what the road will look like, but I want to believe that there will be lots of women running up and down on the road, rushing to go and pick their kids in school. And don't forget that some people have like 3, 4, 2, 1 kids in school. So in that situation, how do you pick all your children? I mean, I really want to see all those things today. But I know Japan is actually amazing, and they put into consideration a lot of things. I mean, they train a lot of people, especially for this purpose. I mean, a big thumbs up to Japan. I give this to them. They are simply amazing. I mean, imagining that this is an earthquake nation and yet they are able to manage these things in this way. Oh my goodness. So, I don't want to say it's a fun day, even though it's kind of like a fun thing. It's not a real earthquake. But then, the truth is that we do have earthquake in Japan, and nobody knows when it will occur. Nobody knows when major earthquake will take place. Oh my goodness. But all the same, it's just an earthquake drill. So we are going to prepare for emergency bag, how to pick our kids, how to be careful still, be careful on the road, because you need to be very careful even as you are bringing back your kids home. You need to be extra careful. So people, I'm super excited, even though it's a fun thing, but then earthquake is real. That's the truth. Earthquake is actually real, and earthquake is not a fun thing. But the beautiful thing is these children are going to learn escape routes, how to help themselves in case of emergency of that nature. So beautiful people, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll catch up with you in my next video. Bye guys.